Ladies and gentlemen, the next bout is a featured bout. This is UGP MMA's very own Juego Todo. This is for the featherweight division. Introducing first, blue corner, Marlon Sarol. And his opponent, Alfredo Melendres. Ladies and gentlemen, this bout is Juego Todo featherweight division. Our music is courtesy of Catribo Collective. Let's give him a hand. Everybody make some noise for Catribo Collective. As these two warriors face each other inside the biggest stage of them all in the country. Ladies and gentlemen, the time is now! Introducing first, fighting out of the blue corner. He stands 5 feet 6 inches tall, weighing in at 145 pounds. This is his debut fight for Juego Todo, all the way from Taytay, Rizal, via Syria Gym, Marlon Jaguar Sarol! Introducing his opponent, fighting out of the red corner. He stands 5 feet 11 inches tall, weighing in at 145 pounds. For Juego Todo, he has 1 win with no defeats. All the way from Parañaque City, Metro Manila, Philippines, by way of Team Titans Mixed Martial Arts, the Joker, Alfredo Melendres! The judges to score this bout are Ronin Juggler Marquez, GR Formento, Crew Brian Barameda.
Ladies and gentlemen, please give it up for our round girl. Very attractive, Miss Juvie.
GR, this is the first Juego Todo match of the night.
Yes, and the only Juego Todo here. Wasa ka na.
Yep. Starts with
Oops.
2-6.
Wow.
Wow.
She gave
Spinning
a...
kick.
Oh!
Got him in the solar plexus.
Yeah.
Tapos kagad
There's a
tinlaban,
liver shot.
pare.
Yes. Isang back kick lang. Ang bilis. Grabe.
Hindi yun, pare.
Ang lupit ni Alfredo Melendres.
I
Woo!
think solid sa solar
Congratulations. First round knockout.
plexus. Grabe yung intensity.
It's only seconds.
Grabe yung intensity, no?
I think
Yung
around...
adrenaline sa katawan niya.
Yeah, 10 seconds. With a beautiful back kick by Alfredo Melendres, the Joker.
Now I'm worried
Yeah,
for
so fast.
Mr. Marlon Sarol. I hope nothing serious happened to him. Medyo
Yeah.
matindi yung tama sa kanya sa solar plexus.
Exactly, bro. I think that sobrang excruciating pain na naramdaman ni the Jaguar here.
You see, Mr. Alfredo Melendres still has the adrenaline in his body. Talagang medyo intense pa rin siya. Oh.
Yes. Sobrang ganda na pinakita niya. Sobrang
Ayun,
tindi ng
I know.
back kick.
Tama, I know he's
Oh.
checking in on his opponent, Mr.
Yeah.
Marlon Sarol.
Based at it, I think he set up his sticks. Yes, and, bali, hinampas yung harness and then set up ng back kick. Sobrang galing. Lupit mo, Alfredo! Grabe, what a very fast knockout. They think that's only less than 10 seconds? Parang wala pang 5 seconds, I think. So fast. Napakagaling.
Oo nga, Sir JR, no? I hope that Marlon is okay.
Yes. I hope he's okay. Hoping that he can get back up. Congratulations, Alfredo the Joker Melendres.
Ladies and gentlemen, declaring the winner by TKO during the first 11 seconds of the very first round, the Joker, Alfredo Melendres. To present the award is from Catribo Collective. All right, ladies and gentlemen, I'm here with your winner, the Joker, Alfredo Melendres, knocking out his opponent for the first 11 seconds of the very first round. What can you say about your performance?
Yun, yung preparation ko, tamang tagay lang. Hindi, seryoso. Ang tagal kong hinahanap kung saan ako magdo-dominate. MMA, hirap na hirap ako sa ground. Sinasabi ko yan, inaamin ko yung pagkakamali ko. Wala akong ground. Nung sinabihan ako one time ni Sir Vincent So, na itry mo yung striking, yung purong striking lang, doon ka magdo-dominate. Totoo ang nangyari. Totoo, basta magtiwala ka. In God, nothing is possible. Palamura ako, pero naniniwala ako sa kanya. Tapos, nagpapasalamat ako sa lahat ng sumusuporta, naniniwala at nagtitiwala sa akin. Tapos, isa lang. Gusto kong tawagin yung ano, babaeng pumikot sa akin. Lourdes Martinez, pwede pa sanla. Hindi, papakasalan mo ako, magpapakasal ka sa akin. Yun lang. Ano? Oo. Oo. Maraming salamat sa lahat. Imbitado kayo sa kasal, pero wala pang date. Nag-ipon pa ako.
All right. Well, I would want to congratulate you again because you won for the second time tonight for having the yes of the woman na pumikot sa'yo. Okay. Ngayon na nandito na siya, bakit hindi natin marinig sa kanya? Bakit ka nag-yes? Hindi ka ba nagkakamali?
Baka mabuking.
What can you say?
Naiyak naman ako kung pumikot sa akin.
Hindi ko pinikot yan. Ikaw nga pumikot sa akin. Alright, once again, congratulations to Joker Alfredo Melendres for winning this bout and for getting a yes from his proposal.